Hi and welcome to Drone 501. This is the first review of any product I've done on the channel, and we'll start off with a small one. I got a little delivery in the mail this morning, so we'll get this unboxed and we'll have a look at it. So we'll get this package open. This is the SMAO, however you want to pronounce it, KK2 micro drone. I thought for the super low price of less than £8 UK it was worth a punt, and ordered one, and as I say, it arrived today. So let's see what I got for my money. Let's get it unboxed. Now, like many other Chinese products, this drone is sold under a few other brand names. It's pretty much identical to the LBLA CX95 drone and shares a lot of similarities with the JJRC H36. Certainly the controller is pretty much identical, and I think the body on the top of the drone itself, the little canopy bit here, is slightly different, but very much a similar type of drone. So what's in the box? Well, you got your instructions in Chinese and English. Underneath we've got a little bag containing extra propellers, a screwdriver and a charging cable, and of course the drone itself and a rather natty, I mean it's tiny, you rest that in the palm of your hand, controller. The controller itself takes 3 AAA batteries. So we'll now get this out of the packaging and see if we've got some batteries to get it powered up and take it for a little flight. So now you'll be looking forward to seeing some shots of this little drone in action, and that's where the story takes a turn for the worse. After flying it around the living room for some time, and no doubt bouncing off at the ceiling several times, I then exhausted the battery. Now I popped it on to charge using the charger provided, but it doesn't have an LED to indicate when it's charged. The instructions don't actually tell you where or how long to charge the battery for, and I put it on for 30 minutes thinking that would be enough. Put it into the drone again, and all I got was just a solid red LED on the drone, so I assumed it wasn't charged fully. Put it on for another 15 minutes, tried it again, still no luck. So in conclusion then, can I recommend the KK2 drone by SMAO? And the answer is no. Despite the cheap price purchasing it, there will be plenty of disappointed young people, I'd imagine, who get this for a little gift and find that within 2 days it's probably not working. So definitely thumbs down from me. Thanks for watching this little review. I'll catch you again later.